Hey everybody, welcome back to Lukey Cookie. Today we are making a baked custard flan. This is a simple recipe and all you need are a few ingredients to make this delicious dessert. So, like my dad always says, let's stop talking and let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients. 2/3 cup of sugar, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup milk, 2 cups heavy cream, 5 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You'll also need an oven-safe pan. This one's around 8 inches by 8 inches. We start by caramelizing the sugar. First, you turn on the heat to a medium-high. Then you pour in the sugar. The trick is not to stir it. You just want to keep swirling it around after it starts to melt. And take it off the heat time to time. Now that the sugar has started to melt, we're going to keep raising it off the heat and swirling it around. Make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. Now that we have a nice golden brown caramel, we're going to pour it into the base of the baking dish. Now we blend together the remaining ingredients. You can use a blender or, like I am, you can use a stand mixer. We start with the eggs. Once the eggs are blended, we add the remaining ingredients. Heavy cream, condensed milk, and regular milk, as well as 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Ooh, this is an opening. Here we go. And we blend. Now that all the ingredients are blended well, we pour it into the baking dish. Now we preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we prepare our bain-marie or double boiler. Now we're going to pour around 1 inch of hot water in the second tray. And we're going to put it in the oven once it comes to 350 degrees. Now we put the flan in the oven. I had my dad do this for me because it's kind of dangerous. Now we cook it for 1 hour. You cook the flan for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. We cooked it for 1 hour, but it didn't set, so we cooked it for another half an hour, and this is the final product. Yay! You need to let the flan cool, and you can serve it either warm or chilled, like we are. By the way, this has already been chilled overnight. And now, I'm gonna ask my dad to flip this over, because this is dangerous and I'm probably gonna mess it up. So, cross your fingers, and let's do this. Hooray, it worked! It didn't fall apart. So, here you have it, folks. Baked custard flan. Time to cut a slice. Time to have a little bite. It's creamy. It's delicious. You guys have to try this. This is awesome. Anyways, this is Lukey Cookie signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!